With October being Breast Cancer Awareness Month, we want to take a moment and share a little bit more how a speech language pathologist can help individuals who are experiencing breast cancer or who are recovering from breast cancer.
Hey there! Before we get into today's video content, I want to go ahead and remind you to subscribe to our channel, Better Speech. And after you watch the video, if you found it helpful, go ahead and click that like button, comment down below, and don't forget to share with your family and friends. Also, visit us at betterspeech.com for more information. Now, over to the video.
Very briefly, for those of you who do not know me yet, allow me a moment to introduce myself. My name is Lenora Edwards, and I'm the Chief Knowledge Officer with Better Speech. Better Speech is an online speech therapy company. We are able to offer high-quality speech therapy services all across the globe, completely virtually, allowing our clients to be in the comfort of their home. We are a team of more than 100 speech language pathologists all across the United States and internationally. Be sure to stay till the end and I'll share a little bit more on how you can reach out to us. Without further ado, let's jump into the video. And one of the ways that as a speech language pathologist, we work with clients who are in breast cancer treatment or who are post breast cancer treatment and in recovery, very specifically around their communication skills. When an individual is in treatment or in recovery, it really is a physical impact to the body. It is a head to toe experience. And that being said, the voice can often be impacted. While it might not directly be impacted, a lot of the time we hear that these individuals don't have the same resonance or they don't have the same breath support following their forms of treatment. And that's exactly where we come in. We help individuals build that breath support back in. We help them also build that posture in, as well as enhancing their voice so that they can sound more like themselves and communicate effectively and intentionally. Another benefit that our clients experience is working with a speech language pathologist specifically around the swallowing function. Depending on their treatment and depending on their recovery, there are times where these muscles are impacted. And it's really important that they can safely and effectively enjoy the foods and enjoy the liquids that they choose. When it comes to the swallowing function, a lot of the time, this is often misunderstood. People don't realize that it can be really difficult to chew, or sometimes the food can get stuck within their throat. Something else they don't also realize is that they might be coughing or uncomfortable, not just while eating, but also while drinking. For example, thin liquids, which is likely everything that you're used to drinking, think water out of the faucet, anything that's poured from a container, we consider that thin liquid. That can actually be very challenging to swallow because of the muscle coordination that is required for consumption of that beverage. When working with a speech pathologist, we get to help our clients not only control the liquids, but also to swallow effectively and intentionally so that they feel comfortable while eating, and they can also eat without the risk of food or liquid going into the airway. While working with a speech language pathologist, yes, we help individuals effectively communicate and we help individuals have the breath support so that their voice is strong while communicating. We do also work with them on the swallowing function, as I mentioned. And another piece is helping them with that cognitive component. There are times where individuals who are going through treatment or who are post treatment do experience brain fog, and we are absolutely there to support them. Understanding that individuals who are going through the treatment process or who are in recovery really have experienced a full head to toe impact to themselves and also to their life. The more support we can give them, the more help and guidance we can give them, the better off they will be, not just mentally, not just physically, but also emotionally. We certainly hope you found this video helpful. If you have questions and would like to work with a board-certified speech language pathologist, by all means, reach out to us at Better Speech. We're there to answer any and all of your questions and to offer you more guidance from there. If you found this video helpful, be sure to share it with a friend and continue to like, comment, and subscribe to our channel for more information on all things related to speech and language. Thank you so much for spending time with me here today, and until next time, stay well.